Are you ready? I've been waiting for you to get home from school all day. Nick, look at these. They're shiny, they're metal, they're beautiful. And somebody said when you open it, the C does something and it sounds like a coin dropping or something. I'm not sure. So we need to look out for that. But this is all new, right? Because we were on He-Man for so long with so many waves and the specials and things and the rewards that now this is all new. I can't wait. I hear the unboxing is really special stuff. So, all right, let's do it real quick. Let's pick the first one to open. I can't wait. I know what you want.
We gotta get the one hanging off the bottom.
You like that. You like to get that little tail.
Ooh.
Okay.
With the background.
Yep. Oh, man. Okay. Here we go. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, my God.
Look at the background. It's literally
you ready?
where they live.
You ready? Oh. Nick, that was... Oh, my God.
See what the C does. Ooh.
Yeah. Oh. Here we go. This is like a ride. Nick. Oh! And one of the ones on our list.
Who'd we get?
Oh, the rare Vader. One of the ones on the list that we said in the video last night. He was one of my choices for the Vaders that I wanted to get right away. That's awesome. Oh my God. Guys, I mean, just how you enter the cube, the way the cube dances, like the old Motu ones would like breathe, and the way this one's just super sci-fi is amazing, the way it opens. Ah, man, and then we pulled the rare out of the gate, so...
I just need to unwrap that.
Oh, man, I know I hear that is even better, so if we, baby, as soon as we get a dupe, we're going to see what happens here, but I've heard amazing things about the next step. God, that's like, I didn't nap after that. That was aggressive, but amazingly intense. But what do you think of the whole Star Wars thing? What do you think of the way the whole thing was? Okay, good?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we'll be back with more. We're going to have a discussion about how we give things ratings in the future. All right.